Good morning, Manun! Good morning, good morning. Ay, by heart talaga to, by heart. Tingnan natin saan pupunta yung stubborn baby na to. Yun, oh. Friday, no, Friday, not Friday. There you go. Oh. mm. Happy Saturday. Yeah, this is a 20 minutes session. You know what, with this machine, I lost appetite. That's where I lost weight. I'm losing weight. Those who know me well, I have a big stubborn belly, and it's not good to. It's not a good look if you have a big tummy. And you know what? Even if you tie your shoelace, after I tie my shoelace, I breathe so heavy. those who are buteti, those malalaki ang tiyan. Halhal yan pagkatapos magtali ng sapatos. Oh, pero malapit na yan. Yung may-ari kasi nito, trinay niya ito. He tried 4 months. From 127, more or less 127 pounds. In just 4 months, it became 94 pounds. No, 127. Yeah, 127 became 94 pounds. 4 months. Yeah, so, and also discipline. During the night, I stopped eating rice. Kahit na masarap yung ulam, may pinakbet, adobo, bulalo. Oh my God, yummy. But, still, the discipline. But it will help to burn, those stubborn, those fats, to burn fats. And you know what, with this, there's a lot of women using it, especially in here in North America right now, Canada, US, and Europe, Australia. It helps to their issue with their monthly menstruation. Those has an issue with fibroids as well. So a lot of things, because with this machine there's a PEMF, pulse electromagnetic field, combined with terahertz. So those who are curious about it, do your own due diligence. Google it, do your research. PEMF and terahertz. So yeah, so at least you could have ideas, knowledge about it. And those who are curious, reach out and just message me. I'll show you how to have one of this. All right. Cheers and happy Saturday.